Hernandez looks at him. And he brings home the 1-1 pitch. And there's a high drive deep left field. Back of the warning track, back of the wall. 2-run homer Castillo. And it's 4-0 Diamondbacks. His second home run against the Mariners in the series. The Diamondbacks now have 2 singles, a double, and a 2-run homer in a 4-run first inning, lead at 4-0.
That was another one of those no doubters either.
A drive to left, and that ball is gonna go. Another home run for Castillo. His third of the series, his second this afternoon, and it's 5-0 Diamondbacks.
Felix is shell-shocked right now. He has no idea how that happened twice.